Okay, we're looking at our Heathkit IN3117. It's a decade resistance box. We've carefully gone through and replaced all of the bad resistor, bad and missing. We had some that we cannibalized earlier, but most of these were bad. So anyway, we picked up a large selection of 1% 3-watt resistors and painstakingly went through them to find hand-selected resistors that were better than the 0.5% spec. So we've added those in. We've got 6 10 ohm resistors we replaced. We have, I believe, 7 of the 100 ohm, and we have 1000 ohm that we replaced. These are 3-watt replacements that replace the original 1-watters, so you've actually got more current carrying capability, less likely that you'll damage them in the future. And we're going to find out that the specification is good, that we are within spec. And let's give it a try. Okay, we're going to do a calibration check of this Heathkit IN3117. Alright, we're hooked up to this Fluke 8810A. And we have our ranges marked down here, and we're going to write in the resistive values that we pick up on the meter. So right now, for a 0 on the lowest ohm scale, we have a residual value of 0.067 ohms. So I'm writing that down. And we're going to switch to 1 ohm. 1.067. 2 ohms. 2.068. 3 ohms. 3.076. 4 ohms. 4.076. 5.079. 6.090, 7.091, 8.094, and 9.099. Okay, back to 0. We have a residual of 0.065 going to 10. 10.093. 20. 20.103. 30. 30.099. 40. 40.095. 50. 50.098. 60. 60.097. 70. 70.071. 80. 80.044. 43. 90. 90.028. Okay. Back to 0. Residual is 0.062. 100 ohms. 99.983. 200 ohms. Got to change scales. And we are 200.18. 300. 300.06, 400, 400.92, 500, 501.14, 600, 601.20, 700, 701.13, 800, 801.25, 900, 901.60. All right, back to 0, and then we do the thousand scale. Okay, and we're going to switch ranges. Okay, we're getting a residual of 0 going to 1,000. All right, we have 1,000.5, 2,000, that's 1,999.2, 3, 3,001.5, 4, 4,000.7, 5,000, 5,002.8, 6,000, 6,002.4, 7,000, 7,004.8, 8,000, 8,007.6, 9,000, 9,009.2. Back to 0. Residual is 0. 10,000 range, 10,000. Getting 9,987.9. 20,000. We need to change ranges here real shortly. In fact, we'll do it right now. 19,966. 30,000. 29,935. 40,000. 39,912. 50,000. 49,891. 60,000. 59,873. 70,000. 69,852. 80,000. 79,836. 90,000. 89,809. Back to 0. Got a residual of 0 again. And this time we're checking the 100,000 ohm range. There's 100. And we're getting 100,275. 200,000. Gotta go to a different range. 200,000. 200,180. 300. 300,000. 160. 400,000. 400,000, 49, 490, 500,000. We're getting 500,000, 380, 600,000, 600,000, 30, yeah, 300, 600,000, 300, 700,000, 700,000, 180, 800,000, 800,000, 400, 900,000, 400, all right, let's see how that. Okay, well, we've reassembled the Heathkit IN3117, and I just wanted to give you a quick look at it. The case has been repainted. Looks very, very nice. Have all of the rubber feet on the bottom. We've cleaned up the faceplate and lubricated and cleaned all of the switches. Replaced all of the defective resistors. Got it back into specification, and it's just a very nice unit. It will come with a manual, and in some spots you'll find that the manual sells for as much as 49 bucks, which is ridiculous. You can actually get them for nothing off of the web if you search for them, but I have it for you. I'll include it, and we'll send along the calibration test sheet. You can verify for yourself if the calibration is what I say it is. And I did videotape it so you could see the calibration and listen while I wrote down the numbers. So you can verify it yourself. This unit was well within calibration. The highest error intolerance was 0.27. Which is well within the 0.5 range. The majority of them were within 0.1%. So the unit has accuracy. It's got built-in precision with its digital dials. So you're going to have a great time with it. It's a nice, clean-looking piece for your bench. You'll be proud of it. So I'm going to say happy bidding, good night, and join me again at some other date.